Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. The value of the US dollar has touched a new all-time high in Jamaica. The greenback ended trading today, selling for $130.50, which is the record weighted average rate for that currency in Jamaica. In some places, it was being sold for as high as $148. The Canadian dollar is now being sold for $107.42. The pound sterling is costing $172.62, while the euro sells for $157.01. In the meantime, the government is about to withdraw some of the coins, the so-called red money, in circulation. Information Minister Ruel Reid made the announcement on Wednesday, saying the Bank of Jamaica is to withdraw the 5, 25 and 50-cent coins from circulation.
The coin denominations that would exist thereafter, subject to the Bank of Jamaica's timeline for implementation, would be now $1, $5, $20.
He didn't say when the lower denomination coins will be withdrawn from circulation and demonetized. However, he outlined the reasons for the decision.
The proposal and approval comes against the background of an assessment showing that the use of the lower three denominations have been decreasing since 2005. Details of a cost efficiency assessment also showed that the manufacturing costs consistently exceeded the face value of the coins.
Gas prices are going down this week, reflecting a decrease in the price of fuel in the U.S. Gulf Coast. This as more refineries in that area have restarted operations following the passage of Hurricane Harvey. The reopened refineries are easing shortages in fuel, which sent prices up last week. But how much will pump prices fall? We join Dash and Hendricks at the Smart Board for more.
Well, consumers will be pleased to find out that petrol prices, at least gasoline, is declining this week. Petrojam announced today that as of tomorrow, it will cut the price of both E10 87 and E10 90 gasoline by $1.78. The price of regular diesel, that however goes up by 92 cents, while the low sulfur variety increases by $1.87. And both grades of diesel, the prices are at the highest they have been in about 3 years. The price of kerosene, it declines this week by 14 cents, while propane cooking gas is up 62 cents, but butane goes down this week by $1.37. It's now back to you.
Thanks, Dashan. Meanwhile, the price of oil tallied a third straight gain on Wednesday. Oil for delivery in October tacked on $1.07 to settle at $49.30 a barrel. It is the highest price for oil in 5 weeks. Stocks ended mostly higher today, pushing the JSE market index up more than 892 points, while the junior market index lost 14. Stock posting gains today included AMG Packaging and Paper, Caribbean Cream, Jetcon, Main Event Entertainment, NCB Financial Group, Sagicor Group, and Supreme Ventures. On the losing end were 1834 Investments, Carreras Express, Catering, ISP Finance, Kingston Wharves, Pulse Investment, and Salada Foods. And that's the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Good evening.